Hard disks. These are found inside the computer. The surface of the disk stores data digitally. Hard disks are available in different sizes. With present technology development, their storage capacities are rapidly increasing. A floppy disk is a portable storage device used to transfer up to 1.44 megabytes of data between computers. CD-ROMs are read-only optical disks. This means they hold information that cannot be edited. CDRs are blank disks that can be written on but cannot be overwritten. CDRWs are disks that can be written on more than once and are fully editable. CDRs and CDRWs have approximately 650 megabytes of storage capacity. DVD, digital versatile disk, can hold up to 17 gigabytes of data. They are able to store whole films digitally. Their large storage potential makes them suitable to record large files, such as TV programs.